Yes, guys, I'm making some breakfast now, and I'm gonna be making cornmeal fufu. Yeah, man, I love that one, guys. Yeah, I choose to make this time now. It's gonna be my third time making it. And I'm gonna be adding my coconut milk, guys. Turn this one off here. This one is too hot. Yes, guys, I'm gonna add my natural seasonings now. Then my codfish. I look about it before I came on live, guys. Yes. Give it a little bit more heat. See, I'm gonna be using 235 ml, guys. Add some water to it. Give it some more heat. It's gonna take 15 minutes, guys, the least. Guys, me and my husband love this. My daughter don't eat it. Yeah, it tastes so good. Yeah. I'm looking the pot cover to cover it, but I cannot find it. Okay, taste it, guys. Yeah, it's cooked. Yes guys, you can also cover it and leave it at a low flame and just let it just stir and cook a bit. Yeah. See, I'm gonna put it into this, guys, because if you once let it get cold in this pot, it's gonna stick. Yes, you have to put it into a little baby cup here. When you do it like this, guys, you can put it in a microwave and warm it for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yeah. Oh, it's a little bit tight. Well, see there, guys. Come on, one. I'm gonna show you guys. I have to hold it up to the camera and show you guys. Guys, you can have it with chicken, fish, yeah. And you can have it by like this, like once from your mom, guys. You can have it like this. My God, this one had to come out. Oi, finally dropped out. Oh my God, this one never hit. When it's cool, guys, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge. Yeah. Just slide this one over. Oh my God. I'm gonna get 5, guys. I want you guys to try it. Yeah. Yes, guys, this is how it looks. Yeah. I want you guys to try it. Yeah, man. And thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.